I am so excited. I want to go there right now.
Mia writes her packing list. Passport, clothes, shoes. She is getting ready for Korea.
What do I wear in Seoul? The weather is cool in autumn. I choose the red jacket. My passport is ready. My ticket is here. Tomorrow I fly to South Korea. Yes! Did you pack your charger? Korea has different plugs, Mia. Do not forget it. Annyeonghaseyo means hello in Korean. I will learn more words on the plane. Fighting. Wow, the airport is so big. My flight is at gate 14. Let me find it. Come on. The queue is long, but I am not late. I have 2 hours. It is okay. No stress. Your bag is 22 kilos. That is fine. Here is your boarding pass. Have a great flight. Boarding pass? Check. Gate 14, seat 24A. I always choose a window seat. I love it. I must take off my shoes here. And my jacket too.
That is the airport security rule. Thank you. Please step forward.
Okay. These snacks look so good. But wait, I will buy Korean snacks in Seoul. Better ones. I am a little hungry. I eat my sandwich and wait. My gate will open very soon.
The screen says boarding now. Mia jumps up, grabs her bag. It is time. Let us go.
I am walking to the plane right now. Seoul, South Korea. I am coming. So excited. Here is my seat. 24A. A window seat. I can see the sky from here. This is perfect. My bag goes up here in the bin. Good. Now I can sit and relax. The flight is long. Hello. Welcome on board. Is this your very first time flying to South Korea, miss? Seatbelt. The plane will move very soon. I can see the long runway outside. Wow. We are moving. Not flying yet. Just going to the runway. Almost time. Almost time. Please watch our safety video now. It is very important for everyone. Thank you all. We are going up, up, up. Goodbye, my home city. Hello, South Korea. Here I come. Look at those clouds below us. We are flying above them now. The sky is so beautiful. What is for dinner? Chicken or beef? I choose chicken. Chicken is always safe. Here is your chicken meal, miss. Enjoy. Can I bring you some water or juice? I am watching a Korean drama. The actors speak so fast, but the story is amazing.
Mia is tired. She closes her eyes. The plane flies quietly through the dark night sky.
I see the sunrise over the ocean. Pink and orange sky. So beautiful. I am so happy. We land in Seoul in 30 minutes. Please fasten your seatbelt now. Thank you all. I can see South Korea from here. Green mountains, blue water. We are almost there. Yes. We landed! Incheon Airport, South Korea. I am actually here. I cannot believe this. This airport is enormous. It is so clean and modern. Everything looks amazing in here.
Mia follows the signs to passport control. She is a good traveler. She knows what to do.
My passport is ready. The officer will check my face and my photo. No problem at all.
Welcome to South Korea. Enjoy your stay here. Have a wonderful trip. Next, please.
I see my suitcase. There it is. The blue one with the pink ribbon. It is safe.
Mia walks through the green gate. Nothing to declare. She is free to go now.
Yes!
The arrivals hall is so big. Look at all the people with welcome signs. How sweet they are. I need Korean won, the money here. The ATM is easy to use. I take out 100,000 won. These notes are so colorful. I take the AREX train to Seoul. AREX means Airport Express. It is fast and easy. Let us go. This is a T-Money card. I use it for trains and buses in Seoul. Very useful. Get one. The station is underground and so clean. The train comes in 3 minutes. Amazing system. I sit by the window again. The seats are very comfortable. The train is quiet and fast. Look outside. Green rice fields and big mountains. South Korea is so beautiful. I love it.
Seoul Station! Mia picks up her bag. She steps off the train. She is now in Seoul City.
I am in Seoul. Look at this city. So many tall buildings. The streets are wide and so clean. It is not very far. I look at the map. I can walk. Easy. What is that amazing smell? Street food. I see tteokbokki spicy rice cakes. Wow. I buy a cold coffee and kimbap. Kimbap is like sushi rolls but Korean style. Very tasty. 안녕하세요. Welcome to our hotel. Here is your key card. Enjoy beautiful Seoul. My hotel room has a great view. I can see the Han River and the mountains. So amazing. This is Gyeongbokgung Palace. It is 600 years old. The gate is so big and so beautiful. I am wearing a hanbok, traditional Korean dress. I feel like a real Korean princess today. Selfie time! Palace behind me and hanbok on. This is the best photo of my whole life. I tried tteokbokki. Oh my, it is so spicy. My mouth is burning, but it's so delicious. More! Bukchon, a village with old Korean houses called Hanok. It looks like history. So peaceful. Myeongdong is a huge shopping street. I buy Korean skincare. Korean skincare is the best. Great choice. This one has advanced hydrating technology. Perfect, I'll take this one.
This is Hongdae. Young people come here for music and arts.
There is a singer on the street. This cafe is beautiful. My dalgona coffee looks like art. And it tastes incredible too. I am in Seoul Tower. I can see all of Seoul from here. This view is absolutely incredible. I put my name on a love lock and hang it here. It is a beautiful Seoul tradition. I love it. Korean barbecue. I grilled meat myself on the table. It smells so good. This is the best meal. The Han River at sunset is so peaceful. Pink sky everywhere. I do not want to leave Seoul. Korean people do this here. It feels so local and so nice. Seoul at night is like magic. Look at all the colorful lights and lanterns. So beautiful. I buy gifts for my family. Korean snacks, face masks, and a cute doll. They will love these. I am tired but so happy. I walked 20,000 steps today in Seoul. The best day of my life. Time to pack. My suitcase is much heavier now. I bought too many things in Seoul. Goodbye, Seoul. You are the most beautiful city I have ever seen. I will come back soon. My trip to South Korea is finished, but I will never forget it. Annyeong! Goodbye, Korea!